Football from Yard, the People's Channel.
Greetings, football from Yard Massive. The Reggae Girls continue to move forward in the CONCACAF Women's Championship. The euphoria of qualifying for the World Cup has yet to dissipate, and likely will not for quite some time. Nevertheless, the Reggae Girls need to focus on the immediate task at hand, a semi-final matchup against the reigning Olympic champion and 6th-ranked nation. Like the USA, the Canadians are extremely fit, well synchronized, play at a quick tempo, and have squad depth for years. Their defense is rock solid, and the wide players push forward aggressively into attack, particularly Christina Becky. If the Jamaican wingers are not attentive, Canada will have a field day, creating numerical mismatches on our flanks. Canadian midfielders Jessie Fleming and Rebecca Quinn dictate the tempo, and in attack they have dangerous players like 39-year-old veteran Christine Sinclair and Nichelle Prince. The veteran Sinclair has lost a step, but still connects well with her younger teammates and is a deadly finisher. Jamaica's best opportunity is to remain compact to frustrate the Canadians, who have had some issues during the tournament while trying to break down defenses. As always, Khadija Bonishaw's power and Jody Brown's pace provide dangerous weapons that enables them to create space for themselves and others. The players will need to remain composed in order to execute on the potential opportunities generated. Coach Lauren Donaldson has kept his plans relatively quiet throughout the tournament, so we'll have to wait until match time to see what tricks he has up his sleeve.
Well, I can tell you what they're going to try to do. They're going to try to get behind us, and so we have to combat that. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to try to do. So I can say they watch a few tapes and they see something that we have a weakness in, and they're going to try to do that. But obviously, we have to match their football and match their fitness. Because I say they have a very deep roster, so we have to try to match that, and we have to come out and be ready and play football and try to get after them with our strengths, and so we have a few players that we think are very good.
If Jamaica wins, the team advances to the final for an opportunity to play the winner of the USA-Costa Rica semi-final. It also, at a minimum, guarantees Jamaica a place in the playoff between the 2nd and 3rd place, which will determine the CONCACAF region's 2nd spot in the 2024 Olympics. If the team is unable to top the Canadians, Jamaica will play in a 3rd place game against the loser of the US-Costa Rica semi-final. A win in the 3rd place game would also advance a team to the playoff between the 2nd and 3rd place teams. Lauren Donaldson is a fairly pragmatic coach, so he could also be of the view that he should rest a couple key players in the Canada match, given that Costa Rica would likely be Jamaica's opponent in the 3rd place game. Of course, the ladies could avoid all the complications by winning the entire tournament to qualify directly for the Olympics. That would certainly cause even more fans to load up on the bus. Respect as always. Linkage next time.